Welcome to the laundry department at our brand new store. Today I'm answering the question, how do you care for fine linens? You can throw your Oli linens into a regular wash. You can use hot water if they're whites. Just throw them in, use a gentle detergent. We do love the LeBlanc line, but you can use Ivory Snow, you can use Sunlight. They're all very gentle and they have no bleach added. And then once you take them out, this is the key point. You can put them in the dryer, but we recommend no more than 10-15 minutes. What you'll find is when you pull out, the pillowcases will be almost dry, the sheets will be almost dry, the duvet covers will still be damp. Hang them over anything, towel rod, banister, cheap IKEA rack, smooth them out. Like I fold mine narrow, kind of like a towel, smooth it out. And what that does is it preserves the longevity. It gets out all the wrinkles so you don't have to iron, and it prevents them coming out of the hot dryer in a wrinkled ball so that they're manageable. And I promise you, this is the difference between a lifespan of a year to several years. The other thing I recommend is do not use chemical dryer sheets. Always, if you want to have something, use a natural dryer ball. This is a game changer because you're not getting chemical, you're not getting that smell, you're not getting a burn, you're just getting the natural drying property of the ball.